In this video, I'm about to show you the comparison of Mureka AI and Suno AI with their pros and cons. Mureka AI and Suno AI have their strengths and weaknesses that can affect how you create music. Mureka AI makes it super easy to create music quickly, perfect for beginners or anyone looking for fast results. Pros include a variety of genres and moods, allowing for catchy songs without extensive customization. It is a great choice for users who want to experiment with music creation without spending too much. Mureka's songs are quick and easy to make, but they might not have the depth and quality needed for more serious projects. Suno AI, on the other hand, is designed for speed and simplicity. It's super easy to use and can quickly turn your text ideas into full songs, perfect if you need quick results or a burst of inspiration. It integrates well with other software, which is super convenient for adding its music to larger projects. While Suno AI is great for quick creations, its output quality can vary and has a more limited selection of genres compared to Mureka AI. In my opinion, Mureka AI excels in personalized learning experiences, while Suno AI focuses on advanced audio capabilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.